back to my channel. So today I am super excited because I have some happy mail. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, sweeties, before I begin this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. I'm so happy, so grateful that you guys are here, and the ones been rocking and rolling me this whole time. I'm so grateful for your continued support, and also the ones who have not subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. All right, sweeties. So those of you guys that are new to my channel, over here I do cash stuffings, weekly expense check-ins, saving challenges, happy mail unboxing. I do a little bit of vlogging, and I do budgeting, but I do that off camera. My goal is to save as much as I can, and honey, and become debt free. All right, sweeties. So I am super excited, you guys. Guess why? Because a YouTuber, honey, her name is Black and Blue. You guys know her. Errika, honey, she opened up her own little small business. And when I saw that on Instagram, honey, I had to jump on it. So, sweeties, her small business so far consists of blinged out writing pens. You guys, I am a lover of stickers, writing pens, pencils, crayons, markers, honey, notebooks, all kinds of supplies, Post-it notes. I mean, anything and everything, honey, you name it, I'm a lover of it. So, sweeties, she actually hand placed all the rhinestones on these pens that I'm about to show you. So, sweeties, I am super excited and I am so happy. So, sweeties, you can DM Black and Blue, and her Instagram, I'm going to put it up on the screen over here, and you can DM her to purchase you one of these blinged out pens. So, sweeties, I can't wait to open it. So, but first, we're going to admire the packaging. So, this is what the front looks like. And, of course, you guys, I had to black out our addresses. So, let me turn it over on the back. And look how beautiful the color is. I absolutely love the color of this packaging. It is a beautiful, beautiful, I can't say it enough, beautiful royal blue packaging. And, you guys, honey, on this camera don't do no justice. In real life, honey, it's beautiful. So, sweeties, I absolutely love her sticker. It says Happy Bling Mail. So, sweeties, I'm so excited. I can't wait to open it. So I got my scissors on the side here. And, honey, we're going to open this up together. And how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are all having an amazing time. I hope your week was going well. Mine, it was going well. But hey, you know, it could have been a little bit better, but I'm grateful, y'all. But I hope you guys have the rest of the week. I hope you guys have fun, and I hope this weekend coming up, honey, I hope it be awesome for you. All right, sweeties, so let's take it out. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, you know what? Oh, I feel something else. You know what you got? Oh, look at this, you guys. And I think it's something else in here. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. Oh, Errika. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I love everything, you guys. Oh, my goodness. This is so nice. Let me put this on the side over here. So, sweeties, oh, my goodness. So, let's start with this. So, sweeties, this is actually a refill, gel pen refill, and it's in the color black. Absolutely love it. Oh, that is so nice, you guys. And so, look at this. Oh, my goodness. I have, you guys, this is so beautiful. And purple is my favorite color, you guys. And so she included a freebie, you guys. This is 2 blinged out dices. Oh my goodness, this is in color purple. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, you guys. I absolutely love this. And you know what? Let me cut it open here. And let me move this out on the side. Let me see, can I open it up, you guys? My nails are so long. Y'all know these are my nails, honey. And sometimes I have trouble opening up things with my long nails. But let's try. Okay, sweeties. Woo, it took a while, but I finally got it open. Okay, let's take it out of the packaging. Oh, I love this packaging, you guys. The packaging is such good quality. Oh, I absolutely love it. Oh, my goodness, you guys. This is so beautiful. Let me adjust the camera, you guys. Oh, this is so amazing. Oh, look. I hope you guys can see it. These are so beautiful. They're blinged out. Oh, I'm so happy. Erika, you just outdid yourself. This is so beautiful and so amazing. So I'm going to put these back up in the packaging. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to admire these, honey, off camera. I love bling. Oh, Erika, I just love it. All right, sweetie. So we got to open up the pen. Look at it. Oh, look at it. She got a black and blue heart on it. Absolutely love it. It's in a beautiful packaging. And look, sweeties. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Look at the bling. Ah! So let me cut open the packaging right here at the seam. And let me move this out the way. And once again, let me try to open this up because my nails are so long. But let me try. Okay, I got it. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, can you guys see the bling? Oh my goodness. I absolutely love it, Erika. This is gorgeous. And remember, guys, Erika actually hand put all these stones on. Did it. I mean, homemade, guys, put it all on this pen. Isn't it beautiful? Absolutely love it. I chose the color purple. So the tip of it is the color of the pen, which once again, I had chose the color purple. And look at it. I hope you guys can see how beautiful it is. And sweeties, this lighting, honey, it doesn't do any justice. You have to get one in real life. It is gorgeous. Absolutely love it. So look how I can hold it in my hand. I absolutely love it. And let me take it's like the little plastic on the tip of it, okay? Oh my goodness. I'm almost scared to even work with it. Oh, I love how it feels in my hand. Okay, sweeties, let me get a piece of paper here. Let me move this over. Okay, let me see. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, Erika, I absolutely love this. Oh my goodness, I feel so fancy. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. I love how it feels. Oh my goodness, absolutely love it, you guys. Once again, sweeties, this came from Black and Blue, Miss Erika, and honey, she has her own side business, and you guys can DM her on her Instagram channel. So, sweeties, I am super excited about this pen, and I am so happy that I end up purchasing this beautiful item. This is gorgeous, and I can't thank you enough. I am so happy with this. So, sweeties, that is all that I have for you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. And don't forget to put on the notification so you guys will know my uploads. I will see you in my next video. Bye, sweeties.